Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find deleted apps on your Android. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Play Store on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on your profile on the top right corner on your profile picture of your Gmail account, and after that you'll have to tap on Manage Apps and Device. Click on it, and then you'll have to tap on Manage on the top right corner, and right here you'll be able to find all the apps that have been currently installed on your phone, and then you'll have to tap on Installed and then select Not Installed, and then right on this page you'll be able to find all the applications that you have deleted or uninstalled from your phone, and you will be able to reinstall them. I haven't deleted any of apps on my this phone, so that's why there are no apps in that section. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video,